So how do you take the 0.5x selfies on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So whenever you get inside of your camera, and if you're using the rear camera, the one on the back, you can always just click on the 0.5 or, move it like this, and everything gets zoomed out. So that's nice, but this applies to the rear camera only. If you are wondering about the selfie camera in the front, you can always flip it like this. You can see I have my camera right there. And the only way to kind of like zoom out on the selfie camera would be by using this double arrow button above the shutter. So when you click on it like this, it zooms it out a little bit, so you can see some information which was not visible before shows into the frame. It is technically not the 0.5x, zoom out wide angle, but it definitely does make a little difference, so definitely give it a try to make sure you get a little bit more into the frame. However, if you want to get the 0.5x for your selfies, the only real way would be to just use the rear camera anyway. Just switch to the 0.5 and kind of like, use the rear selfie mode where you don't see the screen, but you kind of like point the back camera at yourself and you can capture a selfie that way. So that's like the only way to make that work. But also pay attention to the fact that the phones are different. Like as you can see, the iPhone 16e, for example, like random device, is different. And this one does not even have the 0.5x, and the front facing camera can also be zoomed out a little bit. So yeah, depends on the model that you're using, but essentially it's very similar across all iPhones. So I hope that I was able to help you out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future videos.